Now, your next question is, apart from the disturbance inside the earth, apart from the disturbance inside the earth, what are the other reasons of the earthquake? So, there are several other reasons of earthquake also. Earthquake can also occur due to underground nuclear explosions. All of you have heard about nuclear explosions. Sometimes countries perform nuclear explosions underground, and these underground explosions also called earthquake, also cause earthquake. Or sometimes when volcano erupts, that also cause earthquake. Or sometimes meteors hits the earth. Meteors means heavenly bodies, big heavenly bodies made up of rock and metals. When they strikes the earth, we call then also earthquake is felt. So, as we know that if there is a disturbance in the crust, that cause earthquake, and there are other reasons too which may cause earthquake. And what are those other reasons? Those other reasons are, if nuclear explosions are performed down under the earth or underground, that cause earthquake. If a volcanic eruption takes place, sometime a dormant volcano suddenly becomes active and volcanic eruptions takes place, and that also cause earthquake. Or sometimes meteors hit the earth's surface. And what are meteors? Meteors are big rocks comes from space and hits the earth's surface. These are called meteors. And when these meteors hits the earth's surface, that also cause earthquake. So, your answers, you can write an answer of this question, that earthquake can also occur. Your answer may be like this: earthquake can also occur due to underground nuclear explosions, or when a volcano erupts, or when a meteor hits the earth. Okay. Again I am repeating. You may write the answer of this question. Earthquakes can also occur due to underground nuclear explosion, or when a volcano erupts, or when a meteor hits the earth. Okay, this much only. Now, our next question is, what are weak zones? Next question is, what are weak zones? Your answer could be like this: since earthquakes are caused by the movement of plates, the boundaries of the plates are weak zones where earthquakes are most likely to occur. So, weak zones are the places where two tectonic plates are joined. These are called weak zones. So, in one sentence you can write the tectonic plates yes, you can write the places where two neighboring tectonic plates are joined called weak zones. This much only is this much is sufficient. So, your answer should be where two neighboring tectonic plates, where two neighboring tectonic plates are joined together, are called weak zones. This much only. Okay.